Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Google Calendar on PC. Google Calendar doesn't have a dedicated app, but you can easily access it using these steps. In the Microsoft Edge browser, visit the official Google Calendar website and ensure you're logged in to your account. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, navigate to Apps, then go ahead and click Install this site as an app. Follow the prompts to install the site as a desktop app by clicking Install. Once installed, the app will open automatically, prompting you to choose options like Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start, etc. Choose your preferences by checking those boxes, then click Allow. This method provides convenient access to Google Calendar directly from your PC. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.